Hey, what's up, everybody? So I received this article from Silver Honda, who drives a blue Honda, who slurps Walmart Great Value coffee. And this article is on kitco.com. And this article basically explains what I've already made several videos on. I made a video about a week and a half ago or so on the United States Mint Gold Buffalo lowest mintage in history since the United States Mint started minting gold buffaloes. And it's not even close. Gold buffaloes are extremely low mintage compared to other other years. As far as the BU coin, the bullion coin, we're not talking proofs, just BU. And the gold eagles, American gold eagles, are also very low as far as their sales or mintage numbers go. So Kitco.com, we're looking at Kitco.com, and Kitco.com is saying this article, U.S. Mint's 2019 gold coin sales weakest on record. Investors favor ETFs and stock market. Stock market's at all-time highs. I'm not a big fan of ETFs, and this is not financial advice, by the way. This is just we're just reading this article, and but this is crazy, crazy. Now, gold is expensive in my view. Gold is expensive. Gold is over $1,500. In fact, if we look here, we will see gold spot price is 1546, up $17. There is trouble in other parts of the world. Of course, what's going on with Iran, which has gold up pretty big today. Silver is over $18, up 6 cents. So a lot of stuff going on, a lot of crazy stuff. But so let's see, Kitco News. Despite gold's biggest year in nearly a decade, gold coin sales struggle as the U.S. Mint reported the worst year on record in terms of American gold coin sales. Gold delighted investors in 2019, raising 18% as Federal Reserve cut rates and geographical tensions keep rising in an uptrend. So nobody knows what's going to happen. You know, we have a lot of stuff going on that's causing gold to rise, a lot of problems in other parts of the world. Of course, you have Venezuela, you have North Korea, you have the Iran stuff going on, you have the trade stuff going on with China, so a lot of stuff contributes to the the rise in gold. But the United States Mint sales have been declining for the last few years. I mean, if you look at the trend, not just American gold eagles, not just American gold buffaloes, but also American silver eagles, ASEs. The United States Mint has been declining as far as bullion sales for a number of years, at least since 2017. 2016 was a really good year for the United States Mint. They sold, I think it was 40 million American Silver Eagles. But since 2016, the numbers have been largely declining. And but we can go take a look at that. We can go take a look at that in a little while. But as you can see, this article basically already discusses what I've discussed in previous videos, so we're not going to spend a lot of time on this article. This goes on to say a total of 152,000 ounces of gold of the gold American Eagle coins were sold in 2019. Now, I'm sure this includes the 1 ounce, the quarter ounce, half ounce, 1/10 ounce, all combined. But it says a total of 152,000 ounces of gold American Eagles were sold in 2019, which is 38% less than 2018. If we look at how much less this is than 2016, it's probably over 100%, um, which is less than 2018. According to the latest U.S. Mint data, this marked the lowest sales on record since the U.S. Mint began recording its figures in 1986. Sales of American Silver Eagle coins, the worst since 2017, which I also mentioned in a previous video, with only 14,863,500 ounces sold, down from the already weak figure of 15,007,000 reported in 2018. In 2007, sales were only 9,887,000 ounces. Now, I doubt where we'll ever see these sales figures um, under 10,000, 10 million again. I could be wrong on that. But if silver if silver were to go up, let's say back into the 30, $35 range, you never know if sales are going to rise or if sales are going to dip. A lot of people love buying when prices are higher. It's especially when prices go up extremely fast, you have that FOMO factor. Um, don't ever have that fear of missing out. Silver and gold is not going anywhere for quite a while. Plenty of ounces above ground. But because of that FOMO, fear of missing out, when prices go up, I mean, we seen it in 2011 when silver last went up to 35, almost $40 an ounce. My LCS could not keep silver on its shelf. It was flying off the shelf. They were buying at a very big premium, just generic. They were buying for $2, $3 over spot because as people were bringing it in, they were it was flying off the shelf. So they were paying a pretty hefty premium when silver was last at $35 an ounce. Who knows if it will ever get there again? But that will remain to be seen. But what do you think about the weak U.S. gold numbers? Now, this could be because people believe silver and gold are expensive, and people are waiting for the prices to dip. And that's what I am. I'm not buying a whole lot of silver right now. I'm not buying a whole lot of gold. I'll buy a little bit of quantities here and there when I see something, mostly collector pieces or collectible pieces. But I'm not buying a whole lot as far as stacking right now, which could be a mistake. It could be good. We never know. You never know if gold is going to shoot up to $2,000 an ounce. You never know if silver is going to go up past $20 an ounce. It could, it may not. But that's all speculation. You never know what's going to happen, with Iran, and that kind of stuff. If we're going to actually go to war, actual ground war with Iran, we hope not. We hope it doesn't escalate to that, but all that stuff will have some sort of an impact on stock market, on precious metals, and you just never know which way these things are going to go. So let me know in the comment section below what you guys think about everything. Where do you think the price of precious metals are going to go in the upcoming year? Sales, U.S. Mint sales, who knows why? Maybe people just don't like buying U.S. Mint coins as much as they used to. But I think it has a lot to do right now where precious metals are at as far as price. Over $1,500 for gold, I think, has a large amount to do with why their sales are down. But people also weren't buying, their sales were still declining in 2017, 2018, when gold prices were still um, $1,200, $1,300 an ounce. So let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Appreciate everybody for watching and listening. I'll talk to everybody on my next video, and thanks a lot, Silver Honda, for sending this to me. Great information. Thanks a lot, everybody. Please like, comment, subscribe. I'll talk to everybody on my next video. Thanks a lot, everyone.